In addition to the value, uh, the large screen with advertising provides, there are several changes in this machine which improve performance over the previous machines. Magazines can now be kept in a fashion that allows them to vend smoothly. You can fold them and keep them inside, so we don't have to worry about the visibility of the magazine. And this way it vents for sure. What we have also done is incorporated a note recycler. So what this does is not only accepts notes, but also gives back change in notes. And this reduces the dependency on coins considerably. Even the coin mechanism we have used in this case is a multi-coin hopper with capacity of over 1,000 coins. So the machine never stops functioning because of lack of coins. So the machine now accepts notes, gives back change in notes, accepts coins, and gives back change in coins.